Hello, Mr. Simons here. Now we're looking at the midpoint theorem that you should have learned in grade 10. Again, just revising grade 11s and 12s, but all these things are used to catch you all off guard and by surprise. I'm just putting all of them in one place. Right, so midpoint theorem is short. The line segment joining the midpoints of two sides, you see the line segment DE. The triangle is parallel to the third side of the triangle, parallel there, and half the length of that side. So the midpoint theorem, the conjecture is as follows. If AD equal DB and AE equal EC, so those two sides are equal to each other and those two are equal to each other, then a line segment DE splits AB, the long side, and AC. Therefore, we can conclude that in this line DE here must be parallel to that line BC. And that line there, if BC is 10, then DE would be 5. So DE equal half BC, or I can say BC equal 2 times DE. So DE is 5, 2 times 5 would make BC 10. When we write this, it would be midpoint theorem. So I give you any triangle on this side, and that is equal to each other, and that is equal to each other. I can say midpoint theorem states that DE must be parallel to BC. See when we do proportionality theorem later, slight variations. Right? Can also do the converse or reverse order of this. Let's look at the second way, midpoint theorem or converse of it is done. So converse midpoint theorem. The line is drawn from the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to other side. See, parallel. That line will bisect the third side and would be half the length of the side itself. So you see, I've drawn it, it's given that side equal to that, and these two are parallel. So if AD equal DB and DE parallel to BC, then automatically conclude that AE must equal EC, and DE is then half BC. But now we write the line through midpoint parallel to second side. So see, line through midpoint is parallel to the second side, or we can say third side. Right? I hope you follow. Right? Just as I say, basic revision. I'm making sure you have all of them there. So if you get stuck, you can just go back and revise. Okay? Wish you nothing but the best. Bye.